Today we're going to be showing you why the Hyponix buckle is superior. So with the Hyponix buckle, as you can see, it's smooth around all corners and it will not hurt your slackline. Plus, it's much easier to install. So let's get into it. So with the traditional buckle we have here, you have to slide it down, back and forth, all the way down a 60-foot slackline. That can take you 30 minutes to slide down 20 buckles. So with our new buckle, all you have to do is pick wherever you want it. You just slide it in the slack line like so. And this is our carabiner. We just slide our carabiner in through like this. And that's all we have to do. Then you can place your obstacles in and you're ready to go. We have the line set up. So I want to show you guys quickly the other differentiation where your slack line right here, it won't break with our new buckles. So with their traditional buckle you see everyone else have, they make contact points here and here where it is sharp, and as your kids are swinging on the obstacle back and forth, the buckle moves slightly back and forth. So over 6 months, a year, it'll start causing tears in the slack line. While with our buckles, as you can see, it's rounded all the way around, so it's not going to damage your line. And on top of that, our new buckles, they actually have a black coating, so it's going to protect it year round. So you're able to have your obstacle course up in the winter just like this, in the snow, and it's not going to be an issue. So as you can see, when it is tightened like this, you're going to have no issue with the kids playing on it. As you can see, I'm pulling very hard, and the buckle isn't moving. So it's very good in the way that it's going to stay in place like this one, but it's not going to cause tears over time just because it is rounded and there's no actual tension on the line from the buckle. It's engineered so the carabiner sits on top of the slack line. So what this is going to do is put all the load just on the slack line and not on the buckle itself. As with this one, you can see right underneath here that this green slack line, this green buckle, sits on top of this metal brace right here. So this can cause damage to this bottom green slack line right here over time. It can also cause this black brace to break over time, which can be dangerous for your kids playing on it. So everything we've done in this buckle is engineered for safety and for ease of installation.